Is your key fob's lock button not working? Most failures stem from three main issues: a faulty microswitch, corrosion on the circuit board, or a synchronization problem. The microswitch, activated when you press the button, can wear out over time. Moisture and dirt can corrode the circuit board, disrupting the electrical connection. Or, the key fob may simply need to be resynchronized with your car, similar to rebooting a computer. Before diving in, make sure you have the necessary tools: a small screwdriver set, isopropyl alcohol 90 cent plus, a soft brush, and potentially a soldering iron and replacement microswitches, which can be found online for a few dollars. Attempting a DIY repair can save you $100 to $200 compared to professional servicing. To repair a non-working lock button, start by understanding the key fob's internal components. This includes the circuit board, microswitch for buttons, and battery. First, carefully disassemble the key fob. Use a guide specific to your car model, often found on YouTube. Pry it open gently to access the internals. Next, inspect the circuit board for corrosion. If present, gently clean it with isopropyl alcohol using a soft brush to remove residue. If the microswitch appears damaged or worn, replace it. This involves desoldering the old switch and soldering in a new one. Consider professional help if soldering isn't your strength. Finally, resynchronize the fob with your car. The procedure varies by make and model, but typically involves inserting the key into the ignition and pressing the lock button a specific number of times within a time limit. Check your car's manual for exact steps. If these steps don't solve the issue, the problem might be more complex, requiring professional diagnostics.